Hello my babies, welcome back to my channel, to La Familia one day more. I hope you are feeling amazing and wonderful like always. Know that you are blessed and that you are in control of your day. You need to set the intention for it to work just the way you want it. The universe, God, has no other choice but meet you there, align with the frequency that you are radiating. So remember that everything starts here. Welcome to another video. I got home like 15 minutes ago and I felt inspired to just bring you guys something that I've been telling myself, which is it is happening. Just because you cannot see it, you cannot smell it, you cannot touch it, you cannot grab it, you cannot affirm and confirm that it's there, it doesn't mean that it's not yours, and it doesn't mean that it doesn't have your name written on it. So practice being patient. I know it's not easy. I always say to myself, V, everything happens in the right timing, everything comes to you when it's supposed to. And the more older I grow, the more I understand this. Like, people will always listen to what you have to say, but sometimes until you don't actually experience things for yourself, you will not fully identify or understand what the person is trying to tell you. I hope and pray that I can serve you guys in that way. Whenever you get to watch this, I want to connect with you. When we have something that we want to bring into our life, this manifestation has to come to you also in the moment that is best for it, like in the moment that you will actually appreciate it. Think about this. It's more about how you feeling. That is the mirror, and that is what the universe is reflecting back to you and letting you know at what frequency you are radiating in. Is the actual answer for you to know if you are in the right path, like if that manifestation is coming faster or no. If you are not feeling the best, which you have totally the right to not feel great, 1 day, 2 days, whatever time you give yourself to deal with things, that is totally fine. But what you can't do is dwell on things, because that is only going to put things so far away. You will end up believing, sorry, that the law of attraction don't work, or that this is BS. Look, the law of attraction is working all the time. So if you focus on things that have a positive outcome for you and the greater good of everybody involved, find a way to put yourself in the right state of mind, in the right mindset for you to be able to align with such high vibing manifestation that you're trying to align with. When you feel discouraged that things are not happening when you want them to happen, usually we all give up. And when we give up, it depends on how we have been feeling before that moment, when we're like, okay, I had enough, I'm gonna forget about this, that's it. If it's really frustrating you, you are really going to push it away. If you feel like you want it, but it gets to a point where it's overwhelming and you're like, you know what, I still feel good about it, I just gonna forget about it, I'm gonna focus on something else, and it will come when it comes. That's it. Guess what? That is the right way to do it, because that way you have no resistance, you have let go, you trust that it's coming. You just need to know it's coming. And if it doesn't, it's just because it was not meant to be for you. Listen, we are human beings, but we are carrying such a strength and such a powerful and spiritual energy within us that we can't even start imagining how infinite this is and limitless. And when you, with your human brain, limiting yourself, you try to understand how we want something that is here, that we think is right for us, but your inner self and that energy that you are really and truly knows exactly what is the best thing for you. And all the time you have to remind yourself that why you are here on this planet living your life. It's because you have a purpose to learn. We are all here to learn, lesson after lesson. So everything that you are experiencing right now, take it as a lesson day by day. Don't focus too much on your goal as such. Just take it one day at a time. You know, baby steps. Get there. Just like wake up feeling okay. Let me just, like I did in my previous video, check it. It will be linked in the description box. Segment manifest, because it's the only way that I focus only in the next near future, that yeah, I know exactly where I'm going. I'm not like overwhelmed, if that makes sense. I try to take it easy on myself and not feel like I have such big responsibility. My responsibility with my life and you with yours, it's only live the best life that you can. The only way you're gonna live your life with the purpose that you are meant to is just doing things that make you feel good, trying to stay as longer as possible aligned. But remember, if it's something that you want, but it's not something that you feel like you just want it for the wrong reasons, you are thinking of it, you want it, it's not something that it's going to bring you or bring anybody else any wholeness, any fulfillment, feel like you are in control of your emotions and your thoughts. When we have a thought, our body will automatically feel what we are thinking, and we will have an emotion, and that is what we vibrate in. I've said it many times before, just do whatever makes you feel good. Yesterday I came home from work really late, and I had literally a half an hour to cook my lunch for today, to cook my dinner for last night, to go and shower, to do some research that I was doing, and then to fall asleep. And I had my headphones on and I was singing, and it was like 9 p.m. and I didn't care, because that helps me like to go to sleep in such a good mood, and also thinking of everything positive and good, and all the smiles that I've seen today, and all the smiles that I helped creating today. It's such a empowering and uncomparable feeling. So live your life and live your truth the best way you can, and every single thing you want is happening, and is the only way that you will receive, and it will come your way. So just keep on doing your best, keep on smiling, keep on pushing, like I always say, and remember to let the world know who you are. I love you guys. I thank you all for the love and support, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, besos. Bye guys.